Do you sometimes feel nervous when someone starts a conversation, maybe about the weather, or work, or family? Hi, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Every Day. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Today, we're going to help you become a small talk superhero. Don't worry. After this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say. You'll learn easy, natural English expressions that help you start, continue, and enjoy small talk. Anytime, anywhere.
So grab your notebook and let's begin your small talk superpower training. It's raining again. I forgot my umbrella.
The weather changes every hour here. Yesterday was sunny, and now it's raining again.
I know, right? But rainy days make me want a warm coffee.
True. A perfect day for coffee and conversation. Let's learn some useful weather small talk phrases. Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day. It's so hot today. The weather is crazy. I hope it doesn't rain.
Nice. And here are some natural replies you can use. Yes, it's perfect. I know, right? I love sunny days.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, finally. I'm happy to see the sun again.
Me too. The sunshine makes me feel good.
Exactly. It puts everyone in a good mood.
Now, your turn, listeners. Repeat the dialogue with us. Excellent! You sound great already. Hey, John, how's work today?
Pretty good. Busy, but not too stressful. How about you?
Same here. I'm finishing a project this week.
That's great. I always feel good when I finish something.
Yeah, it feels like a little victory, doesn't it?
Now, let's look at some useful small talk expressions for work. How's work going? It's a busy day. I have a lot to do today. I just finished a big project. I'm learning something new at work.
And here are some friendly replies you can use. That's nice to hear. Good luck with your work. I hope your day goes well. You're doing a great job.
Now, let's make a short work dialogue together.
How's work going, John?
It's busy, but I'm doing fine. What about you?
I'm preparing a new lesson for my students.
That sounds interesting. I hope it goes well.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, listeners, repeat after us and imagine you're chatting with your coworker. 20 seconds for practice.
Perfect. You're getting better and better. Hey, John, how's your family doing?
They're doing great, thanks. My daughter just started school.
That's exciting. How does she like it?
She loves it. She made new friends already.
Oh, that's so sweet. Family time is so important, right?
Absolutely. Even short moments together make a big difference.
Now, let's practice some family conversation starters. How's your family? Do you have any children? My family is doing well. I spent time with my parents last weekend. Family time makes me happy.
And some polite replies. That's great to hear. Sounds like fun. Your family must be proud. Spending time with family is the best. Now, let's make a quick family dialogue.
How's your family, John?
They're fine, thanks. We had a barbecue last weekend.
Nice. Did you cook?
Yes, and everyone said I'm a great chef.
That's awesome. Okay, listeners, it's your turn. Try this conversation with a friend or family member.
15 seconds.
Fantastic work!
Today, you learned how to make small talk about the weather, work, and family. 3 easy ways to start friendly English conversations anywhere, anytime.
Yes, remember, small talk is not about perfect grammar. It's about connecting with people.
So, next time you meet someone new, smile and say something simple like, "It's a nice day, isn't it?" Or, "How's your family doing?"
That one line can open the door to a great conversation.
Well done, everyone. Keep practicing these expressions every day. Leave a comment below and tell us phrases you mastered. We can't wait to read your comments.
And don't forget to join us next time for another episode of Easy English Every Day.
Bye for now.
now.